Hello, friends. Welcome to TechNuggets. I'm creating this series of lectures for Python, and today I'm going to teach you about the introduction to Python. In this session, we will cover what is Python, why to use Python, and where to use Python. Let's start with what Python is. So, what is Python? Python is a popular programming language created by Guido van Rossum in 1991. It is a general purpose language, meaning it can be used for web development, game development, and many more. Python is a high level programming language, which means it uses syntax that is easy for humans to understand. Also, Python is a dynamic programming language, meaning the data type is defined at runtime. If we define a variable called a, so we don't have to define its type. When we provide its value, either int or float, that time the type of a variable will get decided. That's why it is a dynamic programming language. Next is why to use Python. So, Python is simple and easy to learn. Python is a developer friendly language. It does not have very complex syntax. Next, platform independent. Python can run on any platform such as Windows, Unix, etc. Next, free and open source. You can download Python for free and the source code is also available to everyone. Next, interpreted. Python executes code line by line by default. Next, rich library support. Python has extensive libraries like Pandas, NumPy, and TensorFlow, allowing developers to use existing code rather than writing from scratch. Next, embeddable and extensible. You can embed Python code in other languages and use other languages' code in Python. Next, portable. Code written on one machine can be executed on another without any modification. Next, robust. Python is reliable and strong in performance as it provides automatic memory management, so we don't need to worry about memory management and garbage collection. It also provides a strong error handling mechanism. These are the benefits to use Python. At last, we will discuss where to use Python. Since Python is a general purpose language, you can use it in various domains such as web applications creation, in desktop applications, gaming, machine learning and artificial intelligence, data science and data analytics, Internet of Things. So these are the use cases where you can use Python. In the next video, we will discuss the difference between Python 2 and Python 3. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to TechNuggets for more insightful content. See you in the next video.